This countdown separates 6 shiny lip formats by the job they actually do. The expensive mistake is buying a pretty finish that fights your everyday routine. Choose format first, then color, shine, and routine. Number 6. Glow Recipe Glass Balm Lip Treatment. Want one balm to add some color without reaching for lipstick? That's the practical role here, and I'd choose it for a simple tinted balm routine. You get color from a balm category product instead of carrying separate color and shine steps. But the shade range, finish level, and formula details aren't established here. That uncertainty makes it harder to judge whether it'll match your preferred look or storage routine. So I'd skip it if you want a completely colorless balm or opaque lipstick coverage. It's also the wrong format if you're specifically shopping for a dedicated lip oil. Number 5. Nécessaire The Lip Balm. This is the straightforward daytime slot, which matters if you want fewer decisions before leaving home. I'd pick it for someone intentionally building a balm-only routine, not chasing every glossy format. Its role is clear, it's positioned as the daytime balm in this group. However, the formula, finish, shade, wear, and packaging details aren't available for a deeper comparison. That means you can't competently judge the maintenance burden or how it'll fit inside your bag. Skip it if tint is essential, or if you specifically want oil-level shine. I'd also pass if sheer lipstick or clear gloss better matches your usual grooming method. Number 4. Ortega Liquid Icon Hypergloss. If your lip color already works, this adds the reflective top layer without changing the shade plan. I'd choose it for someone who likes layering and wants one clear gloss to work across multiple looks. The clear, high-shine finish adds slick visual dimension over products you already own. That makes it useful without forcing another color choice into your storage. But clear also means you're getting shine, not built-in pigment. Skip it if you want one product to provide both color and finish. I'd also move on if a balm or oil feels more natural in your daily routine. Number 3. Clinique Pop Lip Plus Cheek Oil. This one makes sense when a plush, glassy oil finish matters more than bold pigment. I'd pick it for someone who wants adaptable sheer color without moving back to a lipstick bullet. The shade direction covers pink, apricot-toned, and aubergine-toned looks, giving you distinct moods within the same oil format. Yet every option stays sheer, so the result won't behave like opaque color. That trade-off keeps the look flexible but limits its intensity. Skip it if you only want a clear product with no tint. I'd also skip it if lipstick application feels cleaner or easier for your routine. Number 2. e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. Here's the more flexible oil choice when you want shine but haven't committed to visible color. I'd grab it for a dewy routine that can move from clear to a subtle neutral-leaning tint. That range lets you choose whether the oil supports another look or stands alone. The finish remains intentionally sheer, though, so stronger color payoff isn't part of the deal. You're choosing adaptable shine over lipstick-style impact. Skip it if you want a traditional lipstick, a dedicated clear gloss, or a balm-focused step. I'd especially pass if you expect your lip oil to replace opaque color. Number 1. Revlon Super Lustrous Glass Shine Balm. This is my pick when you want lipstick control without committing to heavy, opaque color. Its glossy lipstick format gives you sheer color that builds as your look needs more presence. You also get 10 buildable shades, which creates more room to match your everyday style. Now the trade-off is choice itself, because 10 shades bring more decisions than one clear gloss. That can encourage overbuying if you haven't settled on your usual color family. Skip it if you want a completely clear top layer or an oil applicator. I'd also pass if opaque coverage is your non-negotiable. Choose Glow Recipe or Nécessaire for balm-first routines. Ortega handles clear layering, while Clinique and e.l.f. cover sheer oils. Revlon wins when you want buildable lipstick color with pronounced shine. Before buying, decide whether you need color, layering, or simple daytime use. Then check applicator storage and replacement burden. Prices and formats change, so check before you buy. I default to Revlon for buildable color and shine. Switch to Ortega for clear layering, or e.l.f. for a sheer oil routine. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.